Okay, Containment 68 back. Like I said, at the end of the other one, I was going to do a second video. So I was already at 31 minutes. I don't like to go that long, but, you know, that's what happens when you get a lot of stuff in. So, yep, all those are made in China. Of course. Okay, I was going to show you some of these. At least these. This trailer, at least. You know? Maybe just... Oh, what I have to do... some modification on the hitch. The hitch is way too big. The kingpin is way too big. But these do. Oh, there's a little pin. I see. So, I wonder if my little... I can't. Probably could, maybe. There's a little pin there that connects the two together. See, that's what I was hoping. So you could pull these two apart. This would stay with this, and this would be back way back here for a big, giant, long load, and you'd strap it to the load. Strap the front to the load, strap the back to the load, and pull it. That's why I like those. And these particular tires, well, they are supposed to turn. Oh, there they turn, I think. Maybe not. Let's see if we could get in here and not break nothing. Be nice if they could just spin a little bit, because in real life they do. Nope. I bet I could do that. All it takes is a little... So you're supposed to, these are supposed to be able to crab walk. Each one of these, not each tire, but each tire set is supposed to turn. So you could actually crab walk this trailer. So in real life, the remote control guy can turn everything, and it will, you know, they turn, I think 38 degrees, maybe even turn more. I don't know about these. I don't know if you can turn them to go straight across this way, or if it just goes like this, but yeah. That's what I was hoping, but it looks like they're supposed to, but I think someone, when they put them together, they glued them up too tight. They didn't, see now. I wonder if there's a, see that? That almost looks like it did, didn't it? It won't stay though. I think there's a little pin where you see that hole? That hole right there? There's a little pin coming down now off that into that thing. And I bet if it wouldn't be connected in front, I don't have my glasses on, which I wouldn't need them anyway. I'm thinking if this piece up front wouldn't be connected, you could actually get that to turn. Unless it's supposed to turn on the bottom side. The top side keeps hold of it, and the bottom, I don't know. I have to look into that. See, that one comes apart too, I think. Oh, wait. Let's see. They got a, I think it's, yep. I was pulling from the wrong side. So, we pull this out. Oh, come on. Come on. Why don't you? I got to go so far that it just wants to stop. There's nothing on the other side holding it on. There we go. And it stops again. It goes so far, then it stops. There we go. So that pin came out, which released the fifth wheel. That's a really small ass hole. You see that little hole there? Yeah, right there. Right there. Right there. See it? That's where that pin came out. And that goes for this one here too. And it looks like, yes, it comes out the other direction. I was trying to pull it from one side, but there we go. Let's see. Get on that. And let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. All right. There. Almost. Yeah. It's a little tight in here. I need some straight ones. I can't get in there. Why can't I? Oh, hey. Don't want to do that. Wouldn't be able to get the other one out probably then. Come on. I know I needed some straight ones. No, I don't have them. Oh, there we go. Get it pulled out to where I can't. So that pin is pulled, and then they come apart. Wow. So that's what I was hoping for. Now I can make a big giant long trailer. That'd be like here, like this. You strap that down there like that, and you strap it there, and with the fifth wheel on the front, of course, then you can pull the truck. And then it can go around corners better, because those would turn, so they could turn like this, and these would turn. You'd actually turn these this way, the back one's this way, so it would turn around the corner. And you basically go around a 90-degree corner with all of those axles turning. That's the beauty of the German trailers. I do like that feature. I wish, and like I said, now maybe let's see here. There's a little connection point down here, but I can't tell if it's just attached to half of it or both of it. They won't come off, so there's got to be a nub. There's a nub holding this mechanism to to the trailer. And let's see here, I was wondering, nope, oh yeah, you can. But I think the mud flaps would get in the way. You can add on as many trailers as you wanted to, and you could just do a solid trailer. But you'd have to put the right one in back because that's got brake lights and whatnot on it, and this one doesn't. So this one has to always be in the back. That just hooks up just like that, and that little pin goes through that little. Oh wow! I'm still thinking I can turn these. I need to give me a light in there. I need some magnifying glass. Can't see. Yeah, something's not allowing me to turn it. Well, so I don't lose the pins. Back out a little bit. They weren't lined up. Now they are. Yep. Should just go in. Yep. Pretty dang easy. Once you got it. This one might be a little bit harder. Let's see. I'll put it from the other way maybe. Okay, back out. Oh, it was just as easy. Wow. Alright, there's that. Put him back in his trailer. I don't think I get any extra parts with that. Okay, it's not sitting. Yeah, okay. It did come with a tractor, but I didn't want a tractor. I just wanted the trailer. Because I don't like their cab over trucks. Come on. Nope, can't do it. Won't go back in for me. Alright. So that I'm keeping. It goes over there. Okay, so one of these. Let's see. Okay, what we get, let's pop that. These are definitely 3D printed. Oh, and I have to have their trailer. I need to order their trailers now. Because this, okay, so what this happens here, this little piece is an axle, of course. So what happens here is you put this in here, like this, and this pin goes in here. If you have the right direction on your frame. Okay. Probably maybe a little dab of glue. These, of course, then would then get glued. And the pin fell out because I got it upside down. Well, not really upside down, but oh, okay, like that. They usually go backwards. I don't know why, they just do. These are nice. They just kind of. Come on. I think. I should go back further than that. It's not wanting to, is it? Oh, that one's backwards. Oh. Well, let's see here. They fit in. Let's see where it goes this way. I would think it needs to go back further. Oh, come on. No, it doesn't want to go back any further for some reason. I didn't think about it. I need to buy their trailers now. I was hoping they'd just be inner. Get back here. Come on. There. Yeah, that is it. Definitely have to glue them in. They just popped out again. I like it. You know, they attempted to make it modular. You have to glue these in. Okay, so what happens, like I said, you definitely want to do it this way so the pin doesn't fall out when you're. Oh, wrong way. Come on, come out. When you're going down the road. Okay. So, you have to buy the Herpa trailer because on a Pacific trailer, this will slide into the end of the trailer because it's only a 2-axle or a single axle or a triple. This will slide in and glue, and this is the back end booster. This is the back end booster for the trailer. So I need to go back and buy the trailers now. Yeah, didn't even dawn on me that I'd need the trailers. I was hoping that I could just get it to work with say, one of these. Take that back axle out of there and just plop this right down inside there. I think it would work. I have to cut away the air tanks, but that would be stationary onto that, and then this gets towed behind, and it just distributes the weight out between all these axles instead of just the three. That's what that is. And all the other ones are, like I said, that's a triple. This is a tandem, and these are singles. And then these were, I think these are the front ones. No, they still look like they're back. They still look like they go in the back. Oh, I know. I see what okay. So these out of the plastic ones, see the mud flaps just go across. They're just like this. Okay. These actually have spacers between the tires. See, it's got a wheel well. It's got a spacer between the axles. The axles go like this, and it's got a spacer. Oops, sorry. It's got a spacer between the axles. So the axles, there'd be one there and one there. Then you have that spacer there to load up, set a tire on it or something. Whereas these are just mud flap hangers. So see the difference? I don't know if you can see the difference. So yeah. Now I go back in, like I said, go buy the trailer, or see if the trailer will just work with, or if these will work with anything. So, anything else? No, I don't think so. That's 23 minutes there. All right, later.